Next video, 2 hours and 20 minutes. I'm not going to watch the whole thing because Haunter here, he's just throwing random compilations of scary videos together, which may or may not be his. So I'm going to watch these first 5. If people enjoy this, I'll do another one. Ghost videos that'll make you cry with fear.
Were recorded by a man named Johnny, who has been dealing with escalating paranormal activity inside his home, alongside his wife, Cecilia, and their children. Quickly became one of the most terrifying documented cases of vocal mimicry caught on camera.
Oh my god, wait a minute. No. And 38 following 650k followers with 17 mil likes.
No te voy a abrir. No te voy a abrir. Cálmala, niña. Tranquila, mami.
Yeah, she just recorded it and then you guys made this stupid video. Anything to feed the kids though, right? And then they're gonna have another video. That's not the only instance. They had this other video, blah, 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 blah.
The entity had already mimicked Johnny's wife outside the house, then mimicked one of the children's voices.
Oh yeah, of course, feature the children in. Fuck it. That video took 11 minutes. Yeah, I'm skipping that. That's just stupid. It's ridiculous. Oh, geez. Okay, so this is not as good as Sir Spooks. I really respect Sir Spooks now watching this video because you're just going to pick fat accounts.
At first, the footage looks completely clean.
That looks clean to you? That looks like...
Kita coba lihat ke atas sebelum atas sebelah sananya. Atas mana? Atas tengah ini.
Bebas. Terserah kalian guys, mau pilih
pohon yang mana? Tuh kan nggak ada.
Udah bro, stiker ya.
Ntar kita zoom.
Stiker itu.
Well, it's better move.
Ini mah manusia.
Stiker matamu.
Manusia jurik.
Bro, you just put like a doll there.
Susulin jangan.
Oh.
Gerak goblok.
Okay, it moved. It moved. I don't know the context of what's going on here though. So I don't know how like real that is. It's not enough. So I'm not going to like for that one. That was good though. That wasn't bad. Better than the first one.
Now in this next clip, a woman is alone in a massive stone...
Ugh. I think we've seen this in a Sir Spooks one. Oh, no, I remember. Yeah, someone's trying to get in, but it's a church. Potentially homeless people think they need to get in, and they'll bang on the doors and whatever because no one's answering. That happens to businesses. That happens all the time. I don't know about Norway. No, I didn't think this video was anything special. Sorry if you haven't. Find it on one of the other videos I did. Next one. Dude, it's like silence during these transition bits. All right.
The following video was by a woman who's been dealing with escalating paranormal activity for some time.
Okay, clearly the 0 following. This is just like an ARG or an acting thing.
And by the time she filmed this, she was clearly at her breaking point. She's standing outside an old, dark house at dusk. The kind of low light that makes everything feel heavier than it should, with a stretch of bare trees and dead leaves just behind.
Okay, what are we reading, a novel, bro? Jesus Christ, you're setting the whole thing up. Like, come on. Like, talking about the leaves and shit. Like, what are we doing?
Woods.
Show me the video.
And ever since, something has been happening to her.
Oh, no. Don't tell me she...
It isn't just the fear on her face. It's the implication underneath it all. She found a camera somewhere.
Literally just had that one in a video, too. Oh, my God. Dude, that's the problem with switching to different channels. They just use the same... They recycle the same exact videos.
Next video was recorded by a man alone in his home at nighttime. After he...
Alone in his home. 400k followers. I don't like this. You're not even taking any time to find good videos.
He heard the sound of glass breaking somewhere below him. A sound that pulled him out of whatever he was doing and sent him straight toward the basement with a...
Yeah, and recording too. Straight, stop whatever you're doing and pull your phone out to record. That's what happened when glass broke. You don't think it's a burglar in your house? You dumb...
night vision camera in hand. The hallway he moves through is cluttered and narrow, stacked with boxes and picture frames. The kind of space that already feels uneasy before anything happens. Watch.
Heard glass break. There's nothing down there but my windows to break.
Yes, your window, which would how someone would get inside the house. This is fake. Go check the window. What are we doing?
Fucking joke.
Why are you not looking at the window? You went down there, you said the window broke, that's why I'm going down here. And then you're going down there, another window break. You're not looking at any of the fucking windows. And you go down there and you say, oh, what a joke. What a joke. What are you talking about, bro? This is the dumbest fake one I've ever seen.
I'm leaving the house, man. You're done. Catch me if you can. I'm leaving, man. Have it out now. What the do you want?
Where's the broken glass, bro? None of this makes any sense. My phone. Oh no, I dropped it. I forgot I was recording. Okay, that wasn't even part. Oh my god. There's no effort in there. There was no effort in there. All right. Woo, you got a spooky picture. Oh boy. Come on. Move forward. Okay. You know, I'm over it. I'm over it. That one's so dumb. Wow. Wow. I didn't enjoy that too much. Frustrating, really. I mean, none of that was good.